Hey knitters, it's Abby from Wool and Pine, and today I'm going to walk you through the construction of the Stowaway Sweater. So to begin with, this is a drop shoulder sweater that is knit flat through the top and back, and then once it's past the armhole, you join in the round and work in the round all the way down. For this sweater, we recommend 2 to 6 inches of positive ease. So what that means is you want to measure your full bust. There we are. Take that number, add 2 to 6 inches to it, and that is the size that you're going to choose. So we've got a really nice scoop neckline here. So essentially the construction of this sweater is you cast on a back shoulder, work some short rows for both sides, and then join into one big back piece and work flat down to the armhole. And then for the fronts, we pick up each side from that cast on edge, work some short rows, and then do some increases along the neckline. We do that for both sides, join, work flat down to the armhole, and then we join in the round and work all the way down. Sounds a little bit complicated, but there's some diagrams in the pattern to keep you help you keep track of your pieces as you go. And then once you have cast off for your hem, of course, the exciting part is the sleeves. So we've included a lot of different color work charts in there. We've included a 2-color chart so you can see the different motifs, and then we really encourage you guys to experiment with colors, dive into your stash if you want to add little pops here and there of something different, and of course your yardages are going to vary depending on how much you use of different colors, whether you use a color just in one motif or mix it throughout. So we've listed some reference yardages in there, the yardages from our samples and the yardages for a 2-color, so you can use that to sort of extrapolate how many grams of yarn you're going to use. And then the sleeves, they're knit in the round down to the hem, that's on both sides. And then the collar as well is picked up and worked in the round. And then our last and favorite detail about this sweater is obviously the pocket. So you can see here, functional, really nice. We've got 5 different sized pocket charts. So regardless of the size of the sweater, the pocket will be a really nice size ratio on the abdomen of the sweater. And of course you want to keep track of your row gauge when you're working this, because it is color work knit flat. Your row gauge might change a little bit, and you don't want your pocket ending up too tall and coming up to a weird part of the bust. So we've also included measurements for what the pocket should look like in the end, so keep an eye on that as you're knitting, and you can reduce by a few rows or a few motifs as necessary. What else can I say? It's going to be a lot of fun. We've got a cowl going on with Magpie, whose yarn we've used for this one, and we really look forward to seeing everybody's sweaters.